got a GoPro here, a Hero 8, that I received from a gift that I won from playing a little bit of a lottery. I don't recommend gambling, but I put in my 2 cents worth, right? I won a GoPro Hero 8, and it just came, I just got the camera only. So I only got the camera and basically the basics that come with it. So I had to buy my own SD card and all the other stuff that comes with it. So I got it off of Amazon. And today, as you can see, it doesn't come with the waterproof protective housing, you know, like the Vivitar. I have a Vivitar action cam that I got, and I won it from the Missouri State Lottery Commission as well, but that was 4 years ago. I'm still using it, by the way. And it came with the protective housing, and I use it all the time, and it works exactly for what I need to do. If I need to film, you know, if I need to film or document anything underwater up to a certain footage, or anything that's in the weather or something that might seem kind of sketchy, or, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you might have to video something to get a different perspective, recorded perspective of history of some sort, you know, to make an assessment of what I got to do next. So I got this off of Amazon. I ordered it Friday, it's Monday. They didn't ship it till yesterday, but it got here in one day, technically. So we're gonna open this up. This is the protective housing for the Hero 8 Black, waterproof, up to 196 feet. 196 feet. 196 feet, kids, 196 feet. Comes in a box, there we go. Ah, it comes with the base. There you go, there's the base for it. There's some kind of a clamp. What else we got in here? There's the lid. That's pretty much it. No stickers. No stickers? Nope. Did not give you any kind of stickers. Okay, now I gotta figure out how in the hell do I use this thing? What the heck is this? It comes with 2 doors. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, I see what this is. Okay, it comes with 2 types of doors. You get where you can touch the screen, so you can submersible, and this is still, you know, where you can touch the screen. Oh, okay, sounds good. So let's undo this one. Clean the screen real quick. Put it in there before things get dirty and wet. This way. Like that, you push it and you pull it. So you gotta push this. Okay, so you gotta push and pull. There, we got it open. Holy crap. Pull the lid back. Hurry, Glenn, stick it in there before it gets wet. I hope y'all can see that, I don't know. All right, goddamn. I thought I broke it. Okay, we got crap all over the front. I'm sure that happens, doesn't it? Can't figure out how to use this thing. Anyhow, we won't be using the thing that comes with it, but we will be using the one that I had to get separately. Supposedly it all fits. All these newer models. And mine's 8, so this is the 8. So like I said, I have only used this a couple times. Let's see, does it come on? Look at that. It's on. I can see everything. Okay, so technically what it does is it comes with, you can't touch the screen. And if you know anything about GoPros, the new ones, it's got a screen that you can actually touch. It's got one of those touchable screens that you can adjust all your stuff. Well, oh man, that's perfect. That's exactly what I needed. This one protects everything. So this is now my camera is totally protected against water and damage. So if I ever screw it up, all right. And this door, if you notice, it has a hole in it. So I thought it was going to be just this, which is what I want. I was like, I just want one solid piece. I don't want anything else. Okay, so let's go over this again. I have to get this in and out of this thing, you know, this camera box. So you push this button and you flip that. So you could probably do it one-handed, but all right, so you push this button like this and you flip it like this. It sounds like it's kind of breaking or something. It's probably not. There we go. And this thing comes back over. Boom. Good to go, man. Good to go. I'll have to take it apart and clean everything because I got my grubby little hands all over everything. But it says it's good to, this is good up to protective housing. And I got has a lifetime warranty. Okay. No stickers? Come on, man. No GoPro stickers? God, you guys are really... This stuff's expensive, but they don't give you a sticker. Come on, man. No GoPro stickers. How lame. Just a basic camera kit. So, there we go. So, we got GoPro Hero 8 in a tornado. Because we got some weather service stuff coming up. Yep. Now, I'm happy. This is what it should have came with in the first place, but it didn't. Oh, it has a piece of plastic. It has plastic covering on this. So I'm not going to take that off. Like I said, I got my finger on there. I was like, oh, it's got plastic on there. So you don't have to sweat. You don't have to sweat if you mess up like I did. I just messed up. I was like, oh, I got it all dirty and everything's... So now I can just put it inside of this special doohickey I got for it. So I have a special Harley Davidson bag I rounded up. Yeah, man, this is awesome. Like I said, I'm stepping up my game. Getting more gear. It's that time of year. This is actually pretty good. Let's see what it looks like. Let me push the button. Hey, man, that's worth it. Look at that. Came right on. Easy to control. I highly recommend getting one of these because that fixes the I can't grab that. Right off the bat, that fixes my button problem. I was like, man, I can't grab that button. Let's see. You see how? Watch this. Okay, I push the button. Boom. Yeah, that is pretty hard for me. Okay, let's see if we can get some film going. Came right on. I just got done filming something. I can't scroll through it because it's in that protected. See, if you want to film and be able to scroll through it and leave the protective housing on there, you gotta use this special door right here. You gotta switch doors. Well, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna wait till I get done and take the camera out. Now these cameras are pretty damn tough, but you'd have to get a special coating to put on here, and then you'd have to put the door back on, this door. So I'd have to get a special piece of plastic so I don't scratch my stuff, because I scratch my cameras pretty bad. So it goes like this, and you would have to change the doors out, and yeah, man, okay, I'm happy with it. But yeah, just putting this on there, look at that. Now I can actually push the button. Before, you know, it's all like, yeah, man, I'm happy with that. Let's go look at it on something on my bike. So that's what it looks like when you're riding around. Right? So we got it on, see it? And then I can just reach up here. Oh yeah, man. Well, let's see. That's for photographing, time lapse, video. Oh yeah, that case makes it all so much better. I highly recommend you get the case. Man, that just took it from 0 to hero, technically, because it's annoying, man. It's like I can't reach or push that, and I didn't want to really damage the camera, because I know better. I already like, yeah, I'm going to screw this up. So I just kept it in a case, and in a box, until I actually feel comfortable getting something I could put it on here. Oh yeah, man, this is. Oh yeah, that'll work. I'm happy with that. And then I have this bottom piece, and I just flip it on here, and that's what it looks like while you're riding down the road. There's another piece you can put on here with a light that goes next to it. So you can even be riding with a light. So I can ride on my bike with a light and a camera, which is very useful, but I don't try to ride at night very often. So anyhow, there you go, man. Anyhow, when you turn it on from the front, I mean, I get a lot of questions about this kind of stuff. Turn it on from the front, you'll see it says GoPro 8, black. It lets you know your battery. I got 92% right now, and I have an hour and 47 minutes of runtime at 1080/60. And I shot a couple minutes already. So basically you get 2 hours of runtime at 1080 on one battery. So there you go. And I think I have a 64 gig. I don't know how much. I think I got 64 or 100. I don't remember. I put like 100 and something on here. 64 gigabyte? No, it's more than that. I got one of the bigger high dollar in SD cards to put on here. But anyhow, just push it and hold it and it goes off like that. See? Boom. Just because I can catch the button now. Before I couldn't catch the button because the button's on the side, but it's harder to. This makes it so much easier to use. So this just improved my user's experience. It's like, okay, man, I can use this. All right. So you get the door. Remember, we was talking about the door because this screen on the back on the camera is touchable. You can touch the screen and, you know, adjust the settings and things. But if it's on this complete box door, you can't hear the microphone very good and you can't touch the screen. When you put this on here, you can at least touch the screen, and it might even improve your microphone a little bit, maybe. The microphone is actually on the side right there, so that might help you out with some microphone action, but let's see. Yeah, the mic's on the side, right there. So yeah, you won't be able to hear that. But anyhow, you put this on, you'll be able to have access. I don't know how deep you can dive with this on here like that. If you have this cover on, how far can you go? I mean, it's submersible. I'm looking at it, it's like, okay, there's a submersible attachment piece here. So you should be able to use this with this back piece on like that. Up to how many feet? Skeleton back door for touch access and better audio. Look, it says it right there. Hey, all right. But it's not recommended for underwater use. So if you want to keep the skeleton back door for touch access and better audio, but it's not recommended for underwater use. Right? Uses who, yeah. No se recommended para user debajo something del agua. Yeah, you know, use protective housing skeleton back door. Okay, this is a skeleton back door. No, for touch access. Okay, and better audio. So if I just want to casually use my camera, which is what I wanted to do, I would just put this on here. Right? Which is what I want. I just want to protect this piece. I want the better button piece, but I want better audio, and I want to be able to use that. Oh, okay. Ah. Yeah, okay, so I should be able to hear the audio and for better audio. Not best, just better. All right, man. That's cool with me. So the skeleton door. Ah, the skeleton back door. Yep, that's how you get skeletons in your closet. Anyhow, so I'm Dr. Glenn Rose, Roman Noob, VRSim Sky, Warren Exmo, right? United States of America. And GoPro Hero.